Hello viewers, welcome back. Today I got here the 2023 Honda 450R and I'm going to be installing the Yoshimura full system. Let's get to it. To make the install a little easier, I'm going to remove the 8mm bolt right here. And then I'm going to remove the stock muffler. There's a 10mm bolt here, a 10mm bolt here, and the 10mm bolt on the clamp right here. Then grab your muffler, give it a little wiggle, and pull backwards. To remove the stock header, we need to take off the two 12mm nuts on either side, right there and right there. Here's everything that comes in the kit. We have our muffler and our full system. We also get a plug and some hardware. Today I'm going to be using an 8mm, a 10mm, and a 12mm with my DeWalt. Remember to check the links in the description below for parts and my favorite tools. Now I'm going to install the new header pipe using the stock nuts and leave them loose for now. If you're enjoying this one, make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. And make sure you stick around to the end for the sound comparison. Before I install the mid pipe, I'm going to take some of the anti-seize that came in the kit. I'm going to put some on the inside of the front and on the outside of the back. Now I can slide the mid pipe into place and secure it to the frame with the stock bolt. Once again, leave it loose for now. Next, we're going to install the muffler and once again, use the stock bolt. Next, I'm going to install the springs using the puller they provided me with in the kit. There's one here, and two on the front of the header pipe. Now I'm going to go through and lightly tighten up all the bolts, and then we'll get the torque wrench out. Now I'm going to torque the two 12mm nuts and the two 10mm bolts to 15 foot-pounds. Don't forget to reinstall the 8mm plastic bolt. All right, now let's go do a quick sound comparison between this and the stock exhaust. Before I fire it up, I'm going to clean the pipe good with brake clean. Alright, let's do our Yoshimura sound test. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click up here to check out the next video. This has been my Yoshimura install on the 2023 Honda 450R. Ride safe.